start the fun again. Today is another day, second trial, and let's see how it's going to go. I hope the luck is with me. Alright, here we go. Easy get in, and now let's practice a little bit. That was the first hole today. Was good. Yeah. The waves, this is what I'm talking about. Here we go again. Nice. That's really good. Good feeling. Able to stay on the board.
So, if you are looking for a paddleboard that's easy to handle and great for beginners, I highly recommend the X100 from the Decathlon. Hey, thanks for tuning in and happy paddling!